How to update controller driver on Windows 11. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start the video. There is a two method. Okay, first method, come to the device manager. Here come to the search bar and search for device manager, and here you will have some drivers, motherboard drivers. You can go to the view and make sure you show the click on that show hidden device. Okay, and here you can see this controller. Okay, just right click on it and go to the update drivers. So here you can see the two options. You can automatically search on internet for this driver. So is there any updates? So it will be search and install from here. Okay, and you can also search for update drivers on window updates. So come to the settings, come to the window updates, and here you need to enable your window updates. Okay, and after window install, your that controller driver also automatically updated will update. Okay, the second option, you can go here, browse computer, go to the list, select your drivers. This is your inbuilt drivers. Okay, and go, click on next. It will be reinstalled on your PC. Okay, the next step is or method, go to the system information, search for system information. Here you can see your motherboard manufacturer company, and this is your motherboard code. Okay, so now come to the browser, search this code, and then type drivers. You can see the link, that company link, and here you can all see the all drivers. Okay, so here we have that drivers, controller drivers. You can see, you can download from here and install it in your PC. Okay, you can also check more drivers from here. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.